I would recommend Schnauber. I found the sales support process very good. Dealing with yourself was very easy. You explained all the options very clearly. My name is Barnaby Hart. I live in Fulbourn near Cambridge, and I've lived in this house with my wife and stepson for 3 years. The previous owners had installed a somewhat drafty, nice looking but drafty and inadequate door, and we were looking for more security and thermal insulation. So my wife was complaining about the cold in the hallway. Drafts around our poorly fitted door were a big problem. Also, my wife is mobility impaired and she was finding the old door quite difficult to operate. I learnt that there is a wealth of options out there to cover all price points and qualities, and because our front door is the entry point to the house, I wanted to spend a bit more and have a premium feel and look to it. Schnauber came across as a premium brand, and I had confidence that the finished product would be of a very high quality. I was looking for security as well as good looks and a solid front door. I would recommend Schnauber. The pre-sales process was very good. You explained all of the options and gave us lots of choice. I like the solidity of the door. It's very well installed, so we've got no drafts anymore, which is a bonus, and it just feels like a premium high quality product.